Welcome to the Sneaker Teacher channel. Today we're going to be graphing a polynomial and talking about its characteristics. So my function here, I have g of x. This is already in factored form, so it's going to make our start go a little bit quicker, which is kind of nice. So when we look for certain things, we're looking for the degree. For the degree, we're going to add up all of the exponents because it's in factored form. So we're going to add 1 plus 3 plus 2 gets us a degree of 6. For the end behavior, we're going to actually write it in limit notation, but for end behavior to know like which way the arrows are going to go, we look at the sign of our leading coefficient, which is negative, and we also look at the degree as being even or odd, in this case even. Because it's negative and even, our end behavior is going down and down on the left and right side. So we're going to represent this with limit notation. For the left side, the limit as x approaches negative infinity, g of x is going to be approaching negative infinity as well, because that's going down. For our right side of our function, limit as x approaches infinity, g of x is going to be approaching negative infinity, saying that right side is going down as well. To find out what's going on in between of our end behaviors, we look at the zeros with our multiplicities. So we're going to set each factor equal to 0 that has an x to solve for our intercepts. So we have x equals 0 with a multiplicity of 1. When we have a multiplicity of 1, how it interacts with that x-axis is going straight through. For the second one, we have x minus 5 to the third. So this has an x-intercept of 5 with a multiplicity of 3. Any 3 or higher odd multiplicity is going to have a wiggle when it interacts with the x-axis. Our last intercept is going to be x equals negative 1. This has a multiplicity of 2, so those even exponents are going to have a bounce as it interacts with the x-axis. It's going to hit the x-axis and then go back the other direction. So for our quick sketch, we're going to graph those intercepts, so negative 1, 0, and 5. The end behavior we discuss is down and down, so we start down. We're going to bounce off our intercept at negative 1 because that multiplicity of 2. Then we're going straight through that intercept at 0. That's going to have that multiplicity of 1. And then for our last intercept, it does a little wiggle because of the odd 3 or higher exponent.
And I'm your Sneaker Teacher. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you've got questions or want another problem. Don't forget to subscribe, keep your kicks fresh, and stay irrational.